Now you can integrate Moodle with OKMind Map. This is a new feature of OKMind Map, which is web-based mind map software. So if you have an account on OKMind Map, you can create a map which is integrated with Moodle course by clicking Create Moodle. And here you can select the site which is pre-configured by administrator. So you can configure many different Moodle sites, but I'll just choose one of the Moodle site in which I would like to create a course. So you can either create a new course or create a Moodle integrated mind map here by giving it, may say it's a new course, right? And short name will be whatever. Okay, by doing that, you can apply, and now you can see a mind map is created with the name of new course. But this mind map is very special in the respect that this is connected to the Moodle course. So once it's created, you can add Moodle activity here. Okay, sorry, the language configuration is not complete. So I'd like to add Moodle forum here and add Moodle. This is an ordinary Moodle forum creation page, and here you can give it a name like forum 1 and description and whatever the configuration you like to fix, and save return to the course. Now you can see that forum is created. An announcement is created automatically. You can do whatever work you like to do as the original Moodle here. But one good thing is that the link here is maintained, so any students who has access to this, probably if they click this one, they can access the forum activity as usual, like adding forum subject and adding replies, and that kind of things can be done without any login procedure. So here I will leave something like a new subject. It's like a test. So I like to post the forum, right? And I can go back to here. So from here, they can access this forum, and other students can read it and reply whatever they like to do. So this is kind of a extra super function addition to original OKMind Map functions. So you can add many different kind of Moodle activities here, but this is very limited. And you can also add like enroll student information, like so with this link, probably the students can access many different administration part or Moodle functions. So this is very useful things you can do. So other thing is, if you like to use many different kind of functions, because from the OKMind Map side, you can just create the limited set of learning activities. But Moodle, as you know, supports many different kind of useful activities. So probably you can add something here, like H5P functions. So H5P is video curation sub activities. You can select the interactive video and add some YouTube things here, right? And you can save the things. And the work you have done on Moodle course, which is connected to original OKMindMap. If you go to Mind Map, when you refresh, you will be able to see that the activity which is added manually on Moodle side. So if you're not aware of Moodle things deeply, you can do most of the things by just creating simple version of Moodle activities and admin tools here. But if you like to do some more work, you can even go directly to the Moodle here and find that you can perform many different kinds of Moodle work, which will be automatically reflected on the Moodle side here, or OKMindMap side here. Okay, and also the management of enrolled students. So you can go to the course. In the course, probably you can site course administration. You can see the enrolled users. If you like to enroll users here, like someone enroll, finish, you can either directly enroll people here on the Moodle side, and here probably that is applied to the OKMindMap user, that map user automatically. So here probably you can course enrollment, you can check the course enrollment, and you will be able to find the people who enrolled here. Moodle user, okay, here. So this is the one who I just added on the Moodle side. Of course, you can directly enroll from this side by clicking enroll of OKMindMap. The single sign-on capability of OKMindMap enables you just to use Moodle without logging in. It automatically create the matching account in the Moodle site, and there will be completely single signed on and work as a very good integrated situation. So this is how you use it, Moodle things as a just element of nodes in OKMindMap environment.